Brisbane Boat Show at Brisbane Yamaha.
1 week only, August 4 to 7.
I ripped the manufacturer's bloody arms off to save you thousands.
Get to Brisbane Yamaha today. We've got hundreds of boats waiting for you. We make it easy with YMF and YMI for your peace of mind.
So get off the couch, you bum. You've only got 4 days to save thousands.
We've got Yamaha,
$3,000 off 200.
Quintrex,
Up to $5,000 off.
Yellowfin,
$5,000 off the range.
Haines Hunter,
$10,000 off them all.
Polycraft,
Up to $9,000 off.
and Evolution Boats.
$10,000 off all of them.
Brisbane Yamaha are on the highway at Burpengary.
Boats, boats, boats.